This DNA collection event would have been voluntary, of course, but also the first of its kind in Massachusetts. DNA now being used to help law enforcement solve crimes or identify human remains. Last month, 5 investigators took you to a lab in Texas that specializes in the use of forensic genetic genealogy. Something as small as a bone fragment or DNA from a crime scene or a cigarette butt can be analyzed and compared to DNA stored in a genealogy database. The event that was supposed to take place today at Newton City Hall would have allowed people to take a free family tree DNA test. Their DNA information would then have been uploaded to databases used to help in police investigations. But today's event was postponed after the ACLU raised concerns, telling us in a statement, DNA contains extremely sensitive and revealing information, especially about personal health. This applies not just to the person who provides a sample, but to all of their biological relations. DNA information, whether by government or private entities, is vulnerable to misuse, abuse, and unauthorized disclosure. But Middlesex District Attorney Marian Ryan counters that forensic genetic genealogy is changing the way authorities investigate and solve crimes. In a statement, she told us, since our office is at the forefront of this work, we recognize that we will inevitably encounter novel legal, ethical, and privacy questions. We remain committed to being transparent and thorough when it comes to informing the public about the privacy expectations of those who voluntarily donate their DNA. By the way, this type of DNA match was used locally to solve the infamous Lady of the Dunes case. As for the DNA collection event, the DA's office has not said when it might be rescheduled. In the newsroom, I'm Mary Slatton, WCVB News Center 5.